Good afternoon everyone, my name is Walibet Tigres and I am the leader of the Group 3 Maxwell'S Panther. I have here a remote and let's see how this remote normally works without any cover by it. As you can see, it's easily to use and it's easy to navigate through channels and to control the settings, volumes, etc.
Good afternoon everyone, I'm Babylin Armanasis from Group 3 Maxwell Panthers. Let's see if this remote control will still work even when there's a paper cover on it.
Good afternoon everyone, I am Francis Cabrera Vergara from Group 3 Maxwell Panthers. Let's see if this remote control can still work even when there's paper on it.
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Jade Axel F. Malapo from Group 3 Maxwell Panthers. Let's see if this remote control will still work even there's a foil on it.
Good afternoon everyone, I'm Anjo Gardose from Group 3 Maxwell'S Panthers. Let's see if this remote control will still work even when there's towel covered on it.
Good evening everyone, I'm Alexis Glanero from Group 3 Maxwell Panthers. This is plastic, this is remote.
Helps repair damage for salon-tastic smooth hair, even if